If you want to discover the easiest paid traffic method to generate high ticket affiliate commissions or affiliate commissions in general, you want to watch this entire video. Now, what I'm going to do is actually reveal the exact paid traffic source, how it works, and also how you can find good high ticket, high converting products to start using this traffic with to generate sales as soon as possible. Now, I'm on the screen right now and I'm logged into one of the dashboards of the affiliate programs I promote. You can see that total earned is $169,075. And this money is specifically with high ticket affiliate marketing, okay? So you definitely want to stick in this video. Now, if you don't have a product to promote right now that's high paying or good converting, I'm going to share with you a couple places that you can actually find products, and then towards the middle of the video, I'm going to start revealing this traffic source so you can start to get sales as soon as possible. If you want to use Clickbank and you don't have an account, you just go to clickbank.com. You just sign up right here, fill out your information. It's totally free to join, and then you can log into your back office. If you already have an account, simply log in. Now, once you're in your back office, we want to go to the very top and click the tab Marketplace. Okay, this is where you're going to actually get this list of categories. Now, this traffic source works best for make money online, home business, those type of products. So first off, to find those type of offers that are really good on Clickbank, we just want to open up e-business and e-marketing. Okay, now once you open that up, what you want to do, and a lot of people don't realize this with Clickbank, we want to sort results by gravity. Now, gravity is a score on basically how many other affiliates on average have made sales with this product within the last week. So the higher the gravity, the better selling the product actually is. Now, we also want to look at the average dollar per conversion, because we want to look for a product that not only has a high gravity score, okay, which this one has 200, which is really good. Anything above 100 is going to be pretty darn good. But we also want to look at average dollar per conversion. We want to make sure that the average amount of money we make when we make a sale is worth promoting this, okay? Because this is paid traffic, meaning you are going to have to invest a little bit of money into traffic to start to get clicks to your affiliate link. So we want to make sure the average dollar per conversion is worth it. Now, these two right here, okay, currently are what I would highly recommend you think about promoting. I've promoted both of these and they work incredibly well on Clickbank, okay? So you can see the gravity right here. This one's the 12-minute affiliate system. The gravity score is 145 at the time of recording this. The average dollar per conversion is $159. And then we have perpetual income 365, gravity 111. Okay, and then $264 average dollar per conversion. So let's say we want to do the perpetual income. The next step is we would need our affiliate link if we're promoting a product with Clickbank. So we hit promote, okay? Now what we want to do is we want to actually put a tracking ID so we can identify when we use this paid traffic source, and I'm going to reveal in just a minute, when we make sales, we know that it came from that specific traffic source, because if you're promoting on Facebook and maybe YouTube ads or Bing ads as well, we want to know how many sales were we making with this specific product using this traffic source. So we could put in, the name of the traffic source right there, and then generate hop links. And then we just want to copy, okay, that link. Now this is our affiliate link. This is where we want to drive traffic to. Now, real quick, I want to share with you one other place to find a very high converting, high ticket affiliate product to promote, okay? And it's actually the multiple income funnel. This is a full system that I've covered in a lot of my other videos. I'm personally promoting this right now using the traffic source that I'm going to share with you in a second. And the reason I like it, one of the reasons, is it has 4 different income streams, okay? Now, some of these are reoccurring commissions. Some of these are high ticket instant paying commissions up to $2,000 and more, okay? So this system really works well. Total paid $7,236 just with this first income stream out of 4 income streams. There's going to be a link directly below if you want to actually start promoting the exact system I am. And then you would just go to links at the top. You would get your capture page link, okay? You can get this third one, which works really well, okay? And then you just copy this and you could start promoting this. Now, once we have our link, whether Clickbank, whether the multiple income funnel, now we want to go to this traffic source. Now, what is this traffic source? Well, what it's called is traffic authority. If you've never heard of traffic authority has been around for many years, okay? Traffic authority basically gives you the ability to purchase clicks that are very high quality, top tier clicks and send it to whatever affiliate link or website you choose. Now, if I go to traffic store, okay, right here, this is where you can actually purchase packages of traffic. Now, what is top tier, high quality traffic? What does that actually mean? What that means is when you purchase clicks, okay, to whatever link you want, the clicks are coming from real people from countries such as the United States, Canada, Australia, countries where people have money, okay? Because we're selling a product where people have to actually invest. And when they invest, we make money as an affiliate. So we want to promote products that come from, top tier countries and that are high quality. With traffic authority, the people have either bought make money online products before, they've invested into home businesses, okay? So these people are very high quality. And the reason I recommend traffic authority, and I believe it's the easiest way to get traffic this year in the future, is because rather than going out there with Bing ads, which I've recommended in the past and I have used, but if you're brand new or you are struggling to generate the type of money you want, trying to do the learning curve of Bing ads and coming up with your own headlines and your own ad copy, or doing Facebook and trying to test different images and going to Fiverr and purchasing, paying someone to create ad copy and images for your Facebook ad, all that stuff. There's so many different things you have to learn and optimize. With this, it's literally just choosing a package, okay? Going here to other website and pasting in your affiliate link, okay? That's all you have to do, and you just place order, right? It's really that simple. And then what happens is you'll start getting clicks, okay? Now you can look at active orders right here, and it will start showing how many clicks. Now you can see right here, now all of these deliver in about 7 to 14 days. So if you've wanted consistent traffic to your affiliate links, this source is going to do that. It's going to drip feed traffic, clicks to your affiliate link over 1 to 2 weeks. And again, it ranges in price. Okay, so the basic price is $220 for about 170 to 190 clicks. Okay, so you could start right at one of the lower levels, start to test the product. Okay, and if you're not getting a lot of sales, try another product, right? But the ones that I shared with you on Clickbank and multiple income funnel work very well with traffic authority, okay? And then you would just go over here, you'd attach a card, you'd agree to the terms, and then you'd place order. And within a day or so, you would start getting high quality traffic. Now, I want to share with you just some testimonials of people that have used traffic authority so you can realize that this traffic works incredibly well. But before I do that, there's going to be a link under this video that you can click and actually sign up with Traffic Authority, create a free account, and then you can purchase traffic as soon as today. Okay, now if I go here, these are people that have used Traffic Authority. Now the product they promoted was the multiple income funnel, but again, this works with other products as well. You can see Ari, okay, he says, so I have an update on the other post. For those of you that are skeptical of Traffic Authority, here's a front-end sale that came from Traffic Authority a few hours after making my initial post. So he basically purchased. Also got another sale, Elevation, which is $25. So this is proof that TA works, okay? So you can see that he had a sale, and the tracking tag, remember I said you want to put in where that source is coming from. So at Clickbank or multiple income funnel, you can put in, okay, TA, and then generate, okay, now it has TA, which means traffic authority. You can see another testimonial, okay? $220 in sales from traffic package bronze in TA. Okay, so he had 56 leads. I'm at 314 clicks so far, okay? And he had, $180, $20 come in, okay, from Traffic Authority. Petra, waking up Sunday mornings, this is so great. My first sale through Traffic Authority, not even in 2 weeks in the business, okay? 20 and then 180, Traffic Authority. D, boom, with only 3 days of running my Traffic Authority traffic, out of 5 sales got one, or 5 leads got 1 sale. So out of 5 leads generated, already had 1 sale, okay? Boom. Just, maybe 1 or 2 more just to share with you this. 8 days running, traffic is already traffic, boom. Okay, made a sale. Michael, it's all begun. All paid traffic from Traffic Authority with follow-up emails. Okay, so again, there's gonna be a link so you can actually purchase a package of traffic. But this is it, my friend. This is the easiest paid traffic source. You don't need to come up with an email. You don't need to come up with ad copy or test things. You just purchase package, send it to your link, and you wait, okay? So I hope you got value in this video. If you did, be sure to click the like button to let me know. Also, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest step-by-step affiliate marketing training. Also, comment below, what do you want me to cover next, okay? Are you struggling to get traffic? I mean, you shouldn't after this video. Are you struggling to convert leads, to find products to promote? What specific thing are you struggling with? Comment that under this video and I'll be sure to help you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. And last but not least, if you want access to the multiple income funnel, you can go down below, get access to that, as well as Traffic Authority. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video.